Hello, welcome to Calendar and Math today, bringing our April calendar up close so you can see it. Here is our month of April. Here was yesterday the 16th, so we are moving over one more and highlighting it. Let's do today's date statement. Today is April 17th, 2020. Great job. Look above the 17. What day of the week is it? It is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Yay, it's Friday. So that means our last day of the week for our lessons. All right, so let's take a look at how many days we've been in school. So yesterday we made another group of 10. We were able to bundle a group up and make another group of 10. So we were in school for 150 days. Oh my goodness. Already, it's amazing to me. So I'm taking my one straw and putting it, yesterday we had 0 straws in the ones column. I just added one, so now there's how many? 1 straw in the ones column. Great job. So how many days have we been in school? 151 days. Excellent. What does the number 151 mean? Okay, if you said it means one group of 100, it means 5 groups, can't get a hold of them all. There we go, 5 groups of 10s and 1, you are correct, 100. 5 groups of 10. Ooh, dropped one, got them all connected here. Thank you, Blair. There's our 5 groups of 10. And 1. Fantastic. Let's count them together. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151. Great work. Fantastic. All right, let's write our number 151 today. We have our 1 in the hundreds place going straight down. We have our 5 in the tens place, little down, big belly around, hat on top, and then our 1 in the ones place going straight down, 151. Did you write your 5 going the right direction? Good work. Good job. 151. That's how many days we've been in school. All right, Miss Blair, thank you very much. Okay, taking a look at our number talk today. Today, it's asking us which numbers come next again, and we're starting with the number 97. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks afterwards. So that means you have to fill in the next 5 numbers after 97. So talk them out loud first. What do they sound like? And then go ahead and write them in. What do they look like when you're writing those numbers? Great work. Now we're going to go to our last 2 story problems that I chose for the week. First, we have one with someone named Stephanie. Here we go. Ready? Stephanie has 20 cards and Curtis has 15 cards. How many do they have together? Here we go, Stephanie and Curtis. What was the important pieces of information we needed from that story problem? Yep, how many cards Stephanie has and how many cards Curtis has. So Stephanie had 20 and Curtis had 15 in his. Okay, let's listen again for what question it's asking us to do. Stephanie has 20 cards and Curtis has 15 cards. How many do they have together? So the question is asking us to do what? How many do they have together? So we have to put those together and find out how many there are. Okay, third reading. Make a strategy in your head so that you know what you're going to do when it's time to get started. Stephanie has 20 cards and Curtis has 15 cards. How many do they have together? Think. Do you have your strategy? You know what you're going to do? Yeah? Okay, then you're ready. I chose another one today. Let's take a look. This friend said just the numbers 43 and the numbers 51. They had those two numbers and said, how many did they have in all? So what are the two important numbers? 43 and 51. And let's read it again. 43, 51. How many did they have in all? So what is the question asking us? How many is that in all? So if we have 43 and we have 51, how many is that in all? Okay, visualize that one. 43, 51. How many do they have in all? Think in your mind, how are you going to solve it? Okay, so you have a number talk and two story problems to work on today. I'm going to tell you next week, we're not going to do this part of our math anymore. We're going to do all games next week. Mrs. Jarvis needs to change things up. I need something new going on, so that means you probably need some things new going on too. So we're going to do all math games next week. So be ready for that. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.